If you've been on the lookout for a new windshield for your Polaris Slingshot, then you may be interested in our EvolutionR Series Windshields. This is our most budget-friendly windshield to date, making them a very popular choice for Slingshot owners looking to get the most bang for their buck. The shield is constructed from 3/16 of an inch hard-coated polycarbonate and features a protective UV coating. Once installed, the shield stands 7.5 inches off the center of the dash, providing both you and your passenger with ample wind protection, while still giving you the ability to look over the shield for an unobstructed view of the road ahead. The windshield comes in either tinted or clear, depending on your particular preference, and includes all necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. Now allow our team to walk you through the installation on one of our shop Slingshots.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Start by test fitting so that you can differentiate between the left and right hand side of the windshield. Then peel back the protective film a few inches around all of the bolt hole locations on both side shields, as well as the main center shield. Place the left side of the shield behind the center shield so that the holes are aligned. Then use the included Allen bolts and nuts to attach the two pieces together. The Allen bolt should be inserted through the front of the shield with a nut on the back side of each, finger tight for now. Then repeat this process for the right side of the shield. Unlatch and open your hood so that you can insert a rubber well nut into each of these three mounting holes. Then peel back the protective film a few inches at each of the windshield mounting tab locations so that we can insert the shield into place. Make sure that the windshield tabs are seated properly into the plastic channels on both sides of the vehicle. Next, grab one of the remaining Allen bolts, slide on one of the rubber washers, and screw it in through the hole on the mounting tab in the center of the windshield, finger tight for now. Then repeat that process for the mounting tab on the passenger side of the vehicle, as well as the driver's side. Once the shield is mounted into place, go back through and snug down your hardware, making sure not to over-tighten. Lastly, remove the protective film from both the back and front side of the windshield and close your hood.
If adding a windshield to your Polaris Slingshot is on your mod list, head over to slingmods.com to grab an EvolutionR Series shield for your bike. And if you'd like to see more content like this, feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything Slingshot. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.